We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act but a habit. Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goals. It is well to be up before daybreak, for such habits contribute to health, wealth, and wisdom. To write well, express yourself like the ordinary people, but think like a wise man. If things do not turn out as we wish, we should want for them as they did turn out. Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow ripening fruit. The antidote for 50 enemies is one friend. Wealth is evidently not the good we are seeking, for it is merely useful and for the sake of something else. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life. Those the art of living well. Wise men speak when they have something to say. Fools speak because they have to say something. It is impossible, or not easy, to alter by argument what has long been absorbed by habit. Some men are just as sure of the truth of their opinions, as are others of what they know. Happiness is a quality of the soul, not a function of one's material circumstances. Suffering becomes beautiful when anyone bears great calamities with cheerfulness, not through insensibility, but through the greatness of mind. Time crumbles things, everything grows old, under the power of time and is forgotten, through the passage of time. These virtues are formed in man, by his doing the actions. The good of man is a working of the soul, in the way of excellence in a complete life. A friend is a second self, so that our consciousness of a friend's presence makes us more fully conscious of our own existence. All human actions have one or more of these 7 causes: chance, nature, compulsion, habit, reason, passion, and desire. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and the end of human existence.